So we are coming outside to see the sleet and snow. It is already about half inch deep on top of this ice. It's already gone. Hi, Ian. It's coming down on us right now. You can probably see it flinging off of Ian's back and stuff. So I was just coming outside to see what it looked like. Holy crap. People are still on the highway. Oh, shnikes. Here's my car. I've already scraped the ice off once, and it's already got another, ooh, it's coming down. It's already got another, you can hear it. You can't see it because it's so dark. You see the ice right here. So, oh yeah. It's about, a quarter inch again? I've already scraped a quarter inch off. So, and our light's out again. Oh, that was my finger. There's our door. The highway's up there. Sliding. Sliding. Holy crap. Really calming down. You can hear the highway. See the snow. See Ian.
It's hitting me in the face. It hurts.
Me. Hi. Alright. I think we're going back inside.